So now let's see how we can go ahead and then generate out cover letter inside of DeepSeek. So in order to go ahead and generate out a cover letter, I can simply go ahead and let's say, for example, say I am trying to apply for the position of UI UX designer. I got a bachelor's degree in graphics design, and I have 2 years of work experience as a web designer, just like this. I am trying to apply for a company named Loft Tech. Write a cover letter for me. My name is Samers Denal. Right here, let's say, for example, I just gave this out, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit the send button right here after adding in all of the details. And now what happens is that it'll go ahead and generate out a cover letter for me. So here it says, here's a tailored cover letter for the application of Loaf Tech as a UI UX designer. So you can see that it is leaving this the information that I haven't given yet, and then says I need to fill this up. But here you can see that as per the information I gave, it actually wrote a cover letter for me. For example, it says, dear hiring manager, I'm excited to apply for the UI UX designer position at Loaf Tech. With a bachelor's degree in graphic design and 2 years of hands-on experience as a web designer, I have honed my skill in creating intuitive, visually appealing, and user-centered digital experiences. I'm eager to bring my passion for design and my technical expertise to your innovative team. In my previous role as a web designer, I collaborated with cross-functional teams to design and develop websites that not only met my clients' needs. And you can see that this is what you have, and it generated out a full cover letter for me. And that is how you can go ahead and generate out cover letter as you like inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.